Good morning, children. Let us continue the geography lesson 4. In previous classes, I have told about there are the different types of maps are there. There are physical maps, political maps, and thematic maps. Along with that, yesterday I have explained about there are the three components of the components are there. The first one is the distance, direction, and the next one is the symbol also. So yesterday I have started about the distance, how they are going to measure the distance between the two places, or if you want to go one place to another place also. So let us continue today's lesson. So the first one is scale is the ratio between the actual distance. So children, the scale, especially the scale is showing that distance between the ratio between the actual distance on the ground and the distance show on the map also. So the scale is showing the distance, how much distance is there on the ground, and also the in map how much it is showing the distance. Here one example it is there. For example, the distance between your school and your home is 10 kilometers. How much it is there? From home to school 10 kilometers are there. If you show this 10 kilometers distance by 2 centimeters on a map, the scale which is shows that on a scale, if you see the 2 centimeters on a scale 2 centimeters, and it shows on a map. When it is showing on a map 2 centimeters, you have to travel the 10 kilometers from the ground. You have to go the 10 kilometers. It means 1 centimeter on the map will show 5 kilometers. Here the one example it is given, from school to home 10 kilometers are there. The scale, how much it is showing? 2 centimeters equal to 10 kilometers. So that's why the 1 centimeter it is going to be measured on a map will be 5 kilometers. Next, so children, there are the two in a small scale and large scale, two distances are there to show on the map. The one is the small scale, one more also it is there, large scale. On small scale distance, what measurements are showing? Through the scale only. The small scale, it means when a large area like a continents or countries are to be shown on a paper, then we use small scale. So children, in a small scale, there are the small scale directions. It is showing the large area. What are the large area? Continents. Next, large area like a continents or the countries are to be shown on the paper. And also the here one example it is given. For example, 5 centimeters on the map shows 500 kilometers of the ground. So children, here in a small scale, on small scale distances are there by showing of the scale distances. In a large scale also it is. In a small scale showing the large distance, that is about continents and countries also. And here if on the map, if it is there 5 centimeters, how much you have to travel? You have to travel on the ground 500 kilometers of the ground. So children, all this information about the distance, what information it is there. The one more also it is there, large scale it is there. I will be explaining tomorrow. And also you have to read the textbook, page number 24. After complete seeing of this information, once again you have to read the textbook, page number 24. Let us continue in the tomorrow's class.